would like to thank everyone who has watched the Enduro e-bike build. Unfortunately, there will be no more episodes on this build as the bike has been sold. There will be a new e-bike build coming soon, and if anyone is interested, I will give a few details at the end of the video. There's a few reasons why I decided not to carry on with this build. The weight of the bike is a problem for me due to where I ride, and I would have to lift the front end a lot. Having back issues would make this a problem. The second reason is it looks nothing like an e-bike and more like an electric motorcycle. For legal reasons, I think going forward with a more traditional looking bike frame would be more suitable, as it would be a lot lighter and would not attract the attention of the law. I would just like to say thanks once again for all your comments on the videos, and if you are interested, there will be a new electric bike build. The frame I will be using is an eMTB full suspension frame and a Bafang M620 Ultra Drive mid-mount motor. If you have any comments about this build, then let me know. I will leave a link in the description. Thanks.